Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best portable massage tables that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a professional therapist, an esthetician, or just someone looking to create a relaxing spa experience at home, we've got you covered. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below for more details. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Paradmus Massage Table Portable Lash Bed. This table offers a great mix of adjustability and portability. Designed with estheticians and home users in mind, the Paradmus table is perfect for a variety of treatments, from facials to tattoo sessions. One standout feature is its professional spa quality, which makes it a versatile choice for both personal and professional use. The design is simple yet elegant, with its black finish lending a sleek, professional look to your workspace. It's crafted with durable beechwood and leather, ensuring it's both sturdy and comfortable. With a foldable, lightweight design and carrying case, this table is easy to transport and set up anywhere. However, with a width of only 23.8 inches, it's narrower than some of the other tables on our list, which might be a drawback for larger clients. When it comes to performance, the Paradmus table provides good stability, though it's not as robust as some premium models. Its adjustability options allow for a range of treatments, and the facial treatment hole adds extra versatility. On the downside, the customer reviews suggest that the padding could be a bit thicker for added comfort. Overall, it's a solid option for those looking for something lightweight and easy to use, though it might not be ideal for heavy-duty or high-frequency professional use. At number 4, we have the Abit Massage Table, a 3-fold portable professional lash and tattoo spa bed. Boasting a strong aluminum frame and a weight capacity of 496 pounds, this table is built for durability and reliability. Its standout feature is its 3.4-inch thick sponge padding, which offers a luxurious level of comfort that retains its shape over time. The design is both functional and sleek, featuring breathable PVC leather that's easy to clean and built to last. This model also comes with a range of ergonomic accessories, including a removable headrest, 2 armrests, a towel rod, and even an oil pocket. These thoughtful additions make it a great choice for professionals who want to provide a seamless experience for their clients. However, at 31 pounds, it's slightly heavier than other options, which may make it less convenient for frequent travel. In terms of user experience, the Abit table excels with its 8 adjustable height settings, ranging from 24.7 inches to 33.4 inches. This makes it easy to find the perfect height for different procedures and therapists. While it's a fantastic choice for spas, beauty salons, and clinics, its higher price point and heavier weight might be a drawback for mobile therapists. Nevertheless, its robust build and range of features make it an excellent investment for those seeking quality and versatility. At number 3, we have the KCC Memory Foam Massage Table. This premium, portable, foldable massage bed stands out for its exceptional comfort thanks to its 5-centimeter foam padding, which includes 2 centimeters of memory foam for a plush yet supportive experience. Made with FSC-certified beechwood, this table is not only durable, but also environmentally friendly. It can support up to 500 pounds, making it one of the sturdiest options on our list. The design is thoughtfully crafted, with luxurious PU leather that's both soft and easy to clean. The table folds into a compact bundle, and the durable carrying case with an adjustable strap ensures easy portability. It also comes with accessories like an adjustable headrest cradle, armrests, and a side pouch for oils, adding convenience for both therapists and clients. However, at 35.6 pounds, it's on the heavier side, which might be a challenge for mobile professionals. Performance-wise, the KCC table is a dream to work with. Its height can be adjusted easily using the leg knobs, and setup is straightforward, taking only a couple of minutes. While it's a bit pricier than some competitors, its premium materials and thoughtful design make it a fantastic choice for professionals who value comfort and durability. It's ideal for high-end spa settings, beauty salons, and therapists who travel occasionally. Coming in at number 2 is the Serene Life Portable Massage Table. This is our premium pick, and it's easy to see why. With its cloud-like comfort, premium foam padding, and durable PU leather covering, this table offers a luxurious experience for both therapists and clients. It also features a liftable backrest, which adds to its versatility for various treatments. The Serene Life table is built with a durable beechwood frame and solid wooden legs, ensuring stability and a weight capacity of up to 495 pounds. The widened metal hinges and high-quality lock catches enhance its sturdiness, while the non-slip bottom protective pads keep it securely in place during use. At 35.2 pounds, it's slightly heavier, but its foldable design and convenient carrying bag make it relatively easy to transport. This table shines in its versatility, accommodating everything from physical therapy to beauty treatments like lash extensions and tattoos. The adjustable height settings and detachable accessories, such as the flexible headrest and armrests, make it easy to customize for different clients and procedures. While it's the most expensive option on our list, its premium features and superior build quality justify the price, making it a perfect choice for professionals who want the best. And finally, at number 1, we have the Best Massage Bed Portable Massage Table. This is our budget pick, and it offers incredible value for its price. At just $80.99, it's the most affordable option on our list, but it doesn't skimp on quality. With 2-inch thick sponge padding and a durable PVC leather cover, this table provides a comfortable experience for clients while being easy to clean. Constructed from high-quality beechwood, the Best Massage Table can support up to 450 pounds, making it surprisingly sturdy for its price. It's lightweight at only 26 pounds, and the included carrying case makes it highly portable, perfect for traveling therapists or those who need to set up quickly. The table's height is adjustable from 24 to 31 inches, giving therapists the flexibility to work comfortably. While it lacks some of the premium features of higher-end tables, such as memory foam padding or advanced accessories, it's a fantastic choice for beginners, students, or anyone on a budget. The quick setup process and solid build make it a reliable option for light to moderate use. Overall, it's hard to beat the value this table offers, which is why it takes our top spot. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in narrowing down your options for the best portable massage table. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. Also, don't forget to check out the product links in the description below for the latest prices and more details. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you in the next video.